The available power sliding center console moves rearward for additional storage options and easier access to rear console features. Start the vehicle and then press and hold the up arrow on the front overhead panel to move the center console up to 10 inches rearward. You can release the up arrow at any point along the path to stop the center console. Pull the bottom handle to access the lower storage compartment to store or retrieve smaller items. In this position, front passengers gain a convenient storage area for larger items, while rear passengers also benefit from easier access to climate controls and cup holders. Push the center console armrest to move it to your desired position. Press and hold the down arrow on the front overhead panel to return the center console to the forward position. Pull the upper handle to access the main bin. Enable valet mode and the center console power sliding function will disable, preventing access to the lower tray. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.